Hi guys, welcome back. On today's video, I will show how to make condensed milk. Into a pan, add 4 cups of milk followed by a cup of granulated sugar. Mix everything together and let it simmer on low to medium heat for about 30 minutes. You can also use whole milk or 2% milk to make condensed milk. The result will be the same, but the quantity will vary. Okay, if you use 4 cups of whole milk, you get 2 cups of condensed milk. And if you use 4 cups of 1% milk, you will get 1 cup of condensed milk. At this point, you will notice that the milk will begin to form at the top, but all you just need to do is to keep stirring on low to medium heat. Okay, and you have to really be patient when you're doing this. Don't expect it to just thicken up immediately. Those 4 cups took about 30 minutes to thicken up, so you really have to be patient while doing this. After about 20 minutes, you will notice that the milk will begin to change color. It will go from off-white to cream color, and the quantity will also be reduced and the consistency will also be thicker. There are so many things you can do with condensed milk, such as ice cream. It can be used in your tea or coffee. It can be used in your custard, in your pap, and just a lot of things. So sometimes, if you need condensed milk and maybe you don't have anyone handy, you can simply boil down your milk and add sugar. You have your condensed milk. Also, I have a video where I showed how to make dry milk. That is dry powdered milk using this liquid milk. I will link that video in the description box. You can also check it out after this one. This was after about 30 minutes, and this is the consistency we want. Okay, don't boil it down so it becomes more thick than this. We need it to be at this consistency because once it is cooled, it will get more thick. So this is the consistency you should aim for. Just let it cool down and you have your condensed milk. You can store this in your fridge for about 3 months and it will still be good. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe.